Welcome to episode 5 of 360. Can you hear me? There are different types of microphones that you can use to record your voice when making YouTube videos. Number 1, USB microphones. You can use a Blue Snowball microphone for around $65 or a Yeti microphone for around $120. You can attach a windscreen or pop filter to the Yeti microphone. This is a soft black spongy material that prevents the air from your breath from interfering with the microphone when you say certain letter sounds in words. The windscreen or pop filter will cost you around $10. And yes, I am currently recording this video with the Yeti microphone with a windscreen that attaches to the back of it with a clamp. Number 2, headset. I have a headset with noise canceling with a small mic foam cover to prevent the air from interfering with the sound. You can also have a wireless headset. Headsets cost anywhere from $20 to $150. You can also use wireless stereo earbuds that run around $50 to over $200. Number 3, webcam. I will not use a webcam as much because I am at a greater distance from the webcam and the sound will not record it loud. Webcams run around $20 to $100. Number 4, external mics from smartphones. GoPro camera, digital camcorders under $200, or professional digital camcorders shown here, they run over $1,000, but they do not work well from a distance greater than 1 to 2 feet. Other external mics include handheld cardio microphones, which are used by your favorite comedians and singers, and clip mics or lavalier mics that are used for interviews. The external mics I'll be using during the 360 challenge include the external mic on my smartphone, my GoPro camera, and my digital camera, and a clip mic that connects to my smartphone. To select your camera, visit your favorite online store and make sure to research and read all the reviews on your particular camcorder that fits within your budget. Number 6, boom mic. Large microphone used in the production of TV shows and movies. They work great in capturing the sound above a person. These mics are very expensive and run around $300 to over $1,000. Okay, with all the microphones, make sure to do your homework and research and read the reviews on the device that fits within your budget. I hope these microphones will be helpful for you as you record your videos. See you in the next episode. Bye now.